Welcome back. So in this lecture, let us see how to generate excellent HTML reporting for your Cucumber results. Okay. So for that, there is a two steps process. Number one, Cucumber HTML report can be generated with the help of, the test execution results, right? So the HTML report can read the test results from JSON file. Okay, so that is the basic requirement. So that means all your test execution results should be in JSON format so that your Cucumber HTML plugin can consume this JSON file, read the test execution results and generate that into HTML format with a nice pie charts, everything. Okay. Now, first step, we have to understand how to get the test results into a JSON file format. Okay, so for that there are multiple things we can do. So as a step one, just go back to again Cypress Cucumber preprocessor, go to their official website. So here where you have a documentation, these places can change, guys, because they keep on updating, but they're given some insight that you can generate JSON reports with the help of another plugin called Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. So just following these 5 lines of instructions will help you to understand how to generate reports. Simple, guys. So what they were saying is, in your config.js file, have one Cypress Cucumber preprocessor kind of a property. Okay, so let's write like this, Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. So this is our actual plugin. If you remember, if you check out your package Cypress Cucumber preprocessor, so we are defining one property like this. Okay, and in this property, now you just need to say that generate JSON results. That's all. So for that, they have also given like how to do that. So we already had this curly brace. Now outer curly brace we just created by saying Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. That means whatever options we are adding now in package.json, that belongs to this guy. Okay, that's what we are telling. Okay, so inside now you just need to add this JSON enabled thing. So when you do like this, that means we are enabling JSON to generate as a test reports. That's all. Okay, so this is the step one. Now, so if you see the description that how do the report get generated, where it gets generated. Okay, so by default they were saying that the report will be generated as cucumber-report.json in the project directory itself, or you can configure the exact path where you want through the json.output property. Okay, so that means this is json.output means another property here, JSON output. That's what they were referring. So when they say json.output, you have to write inside as a JSON object. Okay, so comma. Now output you can define where you want your reports. Let's say from main Cypress folder, what we have here. Inside this, let's get that in. Maybe we can create one Cucumber reports package, and inside this let's call like this results.json file. Okay, so format the document. Perfect. Now, so this is the plugin ready. Now when you run your test, what happens is it generates a JSON file for you. But don't go there. There is one more step left. See, these guys have bolded something. So they were saying that to make this JSON reports enable, you have to download this plugin, Cucumber JSON formatter. Okay, so just open that, and here it is saying that this will help you to create JSON file. So basically what happens is Cucumber will generate messages. Okay, so that messages this plugin can read and convert it into a JSON standard. Okay, by default, this package plugin what we had, this do not create JSON results. Okay, there is another step before it. So here we said first step is JSON file, right? First, Cucumber can only generate messages of your results. That messages to JSON file conversion you have to do. Okay, so for that, what these guys are saying, okay, get this plugin, you go and download it, and we will do the work for you. Okay, so once this plugin is there, this plugin will take the messages and convert it into JSON file. So here where you can download that plugin, GitHub releases. Okay, you have a lot of options here. So just go through the instructions. If you are a Mac user, then download this file in from here. Okay, and you need to rename it as cucumber-json-formatter. Right? If you are a Windows guy, download this file name from this page and rename it as with .exe. This is the first step you need to do. So here I am on Mac. So they were asking me to download this based on the text name what it has here. So I downloaded that. So when they say put it on your path, copy that. First of all, rename it, the file what you downloaded. If it's in Windows, rename like this in .exe and paste it in your project directory. See, here I placed cucumber-json-formatter. Okay, download, change the file name and copy it to your project and main directory of Cypress automation in this level. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, and that's it. Now you run your test, it will make sure that it generate JSON output file somewhere here. That is the first step. Once that is generated, next I'll tell you how to convert that JSON into HTML, right? So let's go ahead and run the step that I'm just running the .feature file, what we had. Let's save it, save the project and run. I'll just pause the execution, let the execution run and we will know the result shortly. Okay, so done. We are getting the final results of video generation, everything. Okay, so now refresh your project here, and where are you saying that reports has to be generated? You are saying in Cypress folder. So let's open this Cypress folder. You see that inside there is a Cucumber reports folder generated. Perfect. And click on this and here you go. So all your execution results given, when, then, which is pass or fail, everything is now in JSON format. Awesome. So step 2 is also done. Now final step is what we need here is to generate HTML reports, right? So for that there is one plugin called multiple Cucumber HTML reporter. Let me type that, multiple. Okay, so if you go inside this is the official website where they have given how to use this package. There are a lot of things displayed here. See the nice results you can get for your Cucumber HTML. The first thing what you need to do is go ahead and install these npm install dependencies. You can use any of this. So I'm using this so that it saves in my package.json file. All right, so clear, and I'll just install that package. All right, so it is successfully installed and you can see that the plugin has been added. So we have that package information now to our project. The next thing what you need to do here is very simple. So they have given one file here. Okay, this file duty is to convert from JSON to HTML. Okay, so if you go through this, it's pretty straightforward, guys. So first of all, it is importing the package what we downloaded. So this is a script basically which can convert from JSON to HTML. So first you have to tell where is your JSON directory, because this script needs to know where is the JSON results for conversion, and report path, that means where the HTML report should be generated, that one. And like browser, what browser you are running, what device you are running, all details you can give. So this is basically like a metadata which will be required for your report. Okay, so this data is required by this plugin to generate HTML reports. This data includes where is the JSON results, where is the HTML path, what is the browser you are executing, what platform. So basically all these details again will display on your HTML reporting. Okay, whatever you write here, give your project name, give the release name, all the details what you enter here will nicely show in your HTML report. So that's what we call it as a metadata for your report. So this file has to be created and it has to be stored in the project level here. So I already have this file. Maybe you can download this file from the next lecture where you can download the entire code of this framework, where you will get it there. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. I am not okay. So it looks like I stored in the wrong place. Cut it from there and let's store in the project level here. See, I'm not reinventing anything. I just copy pasted same code in one .js file. Okay, so I created one .js JavaScript file, and all the code whatever here is there I took. The only change what we did here is you have to give correct JSON directory, right? So where is your JSON directory here? So it is in Cypress, okay, and in Cucumber reports here where it is, right? So you have to exactly give that. So this is what these guys have given, Cucumber JSON, but you have to give the correct path. So we decided that our JSON directory will be here in Cucumber reports. So give that first, Cucumber reports. Perfect. And next give the report path. So where is your path? Again, it's in the Cypress. Let's say we want report also, HTML report also in the same folder. So let's start like this. Begin with again Cypress. So I'm using the same path. In the same path itself, let's ask to generate .html reporting like this. Okay. So that means JSON directory we are consuming from same folder, and I'm also asking to generate this .html file also from the same folder. And browser, Chrome, whatever you can give, device, local test machine, project, you can say Rahul Shetty Academy project, or you can give all your details. So whatever you give here, basically it reflects in the HTML file. That's all. Okay. Now, how to generate HTML report? So now you know how to convert into JSON, and you also know what is the process to convert into HTML. For that you downloaded one dependency and you created a meta file, right? Now what you need to do is simply execute this file. That's all. When you execute this file, it will automatically generate HTML report for you. So what is the magic then? Because when you are executing this file already have information about where is that JSON file. Okay, because this file needs JSON to consume and generate HTML, right? All the details we are already providing inside. So simply when you execute this file, automatically it will go to that path, read the JSON, and it will create HTML report for you. So how to execute this file? In JavaScript, if anybody asks you to execute one particular file, that means simply give node space and provide that .js file. That's all. So our .js file here is cucumber -html-. You can give any name, it's up to you. It's overall, it's a JavaScript file we are executing using the node command. Okay, so make sure you save everything and hit an enter. Perfect. You see, it generated report. And where did we say that report should get stored? We are saying that report path should be in the same Cucumber reports. Refresh, and here you see this is the folder, and inside this there is index.html file is there, right? Right click, copy the path, come back and paste here. Here you go. Perfect. This is the HTML report I'm talking for. All pass, right? So this is generated based upon the report generated in our previous run. When we ran in this file itself, you got this, where is it, results.json, right? The report is based upon the results generated in the JSON file, and you can go inside and do a lot of things here. Okay, you can maximize it to see if all those are pass, how all the scenarios are reacting, how many pass, how many fail, and the metadata also. So you can see that RSA project. I hope now you understand why I am using this. These dates are wrong. Now, right now we are in other year. So the project, everything, you can control your HTML report data from this .js file. So I would say this file is a heart to generate the report. So just add that plugin, multiple Cucumber report, add this file, and then just execute that, and make sure before that these results are already generated. And for that, you know that we had a setting here that we just enabled our JSON by nicely following the documentation. And the most important thing is we downloaded this Cucumber JSON formatter. Okay, this .exe file is important. So download that, change the name, and place in your project directory. That's it. Follow these instructions step by step, and you will see excellent reports generated by Cucumber. Okay, so that's about Cucumber reporting in Cypress. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.